Hi, welcome to Prognozy Capital. Today we will understand the FII market open positions. Let's understand how FII made positions on 12th of September 2023. Once you learn how to decode the FII positions, you will able to predict the market moves. So let's get started. Index performance. Nifty close negative at 19,993.2, down minus 3.15 points. Long build-up seen in Nifty with increased OI 2,588 contracts. Nifty options build-ups. Nifty resistance or call option OI build-up at 20,600, with OI increased by 273.08%, Nifty support or put option OI build-up at 19,600. With OI increased by 30.52%. Banknifty close negative at 45,511.35, down minus 59.35 points. Long unwind seen in Banknifty with decreased OI minus 228 contracts. Banknifty option buildups. Banknifty resistance or call option OI buildup at 46,500, with OI increased by 63.13%. Banknifty support or put option OI buildup at 45,000. With OI increased by 18.56%. Cash market positions. FII today sold 1,047.19 CR. DII today bought 259.49 CR in cash market. FII futures and option cash positions. FII bought 1,106.48 CR in index futures. Also bought 27,027.61 CR in index option. They sold 1,322.47 CR in stocks futures. And sold 833.86 CR in stocks option. Net bought 25,977.76 CR in F&O market. FII index futures positions, long and shorts. In index futures, FII added 10,714 long contracts and closed 363 short contracts. With this, FII is now net long in index with 46,143 contracts compared to previous 35,066 contracts. FII stocks futures positions, long and shorts. In stocks futures, FII closed 3,658 long contracts and added 6,250 short contracts. With this, FII is now net short in stocks with minus 137,538 contracts compared to previous minus 127,630 contracts. FII index option positions, long and shorts. Index options, upside direction. In index options, FII added 167,283 call long and closed 189,542 put shorts. Total call long and put shorts for the day comes to minus 22,259 contracts. Index options, downside direction. In index options, FII added 155,668 put long and closed 142,512 call shorts. Total put long and call shorts for the day comes to 13,156 contracts. FII index option analysis. FII net put long is 561,377 contracts compared to previous 216,167 contracts. And net call long is 473,898 contracts compared to previous 164,103 contracts. FII net option buildups. Option buildups on short side is more than long side suggest that upside is limited. This is how FII created their position in various segments. Check out our market snapshot sheet for detailed position buildups by FII, DII, pros and clients. To get the FII data on daily basis, please join our Telegram channel, search for Prognozy Capital in Telegram. Follow us on Twitter and Instagram for daily updates on FII data. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and please like us and share. Thanks for watching. Bye.